Hello, welcome to the Bible Flicks with ZUZU. Today I'm going to read Wildfire by Ashley Wolf. Beach Lane Books, New York, London, Toronto, Sydney, and New Delhi. Buck hears the rumble. Squirrel sees the flash. Jay spreads the news. Fire, fire, fire in the forest. Turkey Vulture spots the first wisp high in Spruce Mountain Tower. Maria spots it too. High on Spruce Mountain, flames flicker through pine needles. Doe nudges her sleepy twins. Raven croaks, fire, fire, fire in the forest. Pilots get their launch orders. Aircraft take off, bellies full of water and retardant. They follow the air attack plane, all heading toward Spruce Mountain. Coyote gives 3 sharp barks and gathers his band. They crawl into their den. Redtail screams, fire, fire, fire in the forest. Mia banks her plane hard. Parachutes bloom and float. Smoke jumpers land and roll. Scrambling to their feet, they rush to fight the fire. Black Bear feels the hot wind calling her cubs. She wades into the bog. Great gray owl hoots, fire, fire, fire in the forest. Redbridge crew roars into a burning meadow. Don aims his nozzle, knocking down flames, and Brennan and his hotshot crew hack out a rough fire break. Porcupine hurries to hide, and Cougar hisses at a flaming branch. Woodpecker chatters, fire, fire, fire in the forest. Air tanker circles, retardant billowing from cargo doors. Helicopter follows, dumping a first load of water. But flames still spread, driven by hot wind. Tired crews are falling behind. Turtles burrow in the mud. Frogs hunker between rocks. Wood duck quacks. Fire, fire, fire in the forest. The forest crackles and booms. Towering pines explode. Heads up, crew, yells Brennan as one crashes across the fire line. Rowan's bulldozer roars. He plows a wide alley, pushing fuel away from the flames. The scraped earth finally halts. The fires march. When darkness comes, the forest is still bright with flames, but the wind has dropped. The fire line is holding. A storm climbs Spruce Mountain, dousing the flames. Hot spots hiss. Tired firefighters gather their gear and roll back to base. Pilots fly through the night, fearing smoke jumpers to a new fire far to the south. As the scorched ground cools, Doe searches for grassy meadows. Squirrel finds an open cone stuffed with nuts. Coyote and his band howl at the stars. And life continues on Spruce Mountain. The end.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you next time.